Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have flawless credit scores while others struggle? What hidden tactics are they using? What secrets are buried in the credit system that you might not know about? Today, we'll reveal essential credit secrets you need to know, helping you build and maintain excellent credit and how to dispute those pesky negative items on your report. Stick around. If you want an authorized user, feel free to contact us at CredBot. Our company is CredBot. A credit specialist will be able to answer all your questions. If you want credit repair and business funding, contact us. Stick around, and one of our credit specialists can get in touch with you to fix your credit, because these insights could change your financial life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on vital information that can transform your credit and financial future. Number 10. Understanding credit scores. Credit scores are a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. They range from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit. But what exactly goes into calculating these scores? The primary factors include payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit used. Payment history accounts for 35% of your score, making it the most significant factor. Even one late payment can significantly impact your score. Balances on your credit cards relative to your credit limits, credit utilization, also play a crucial role. Aim to keep your utilization below 30%. Length of credit history considers how long your accounts have been open. New credit inquiries and the mix of credit types you have, credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, also affect your score, though to a lesser degree. Number 9. Building good credit. Building good credit starts with understanding the fundamentals. First, open a credit card if you don't already have one, but use it responsibly. Charge small amounts and pay off the balance in full each month. This shows lenders that you can manage credit wisely. If you have trouble qualifying for a traditional credit card, consider a secured credit card, which requires a deposit that serves as your credit limit. Timely payments on this card will help build your credit. Also, keep old accounts open. The length of your credit history contributes to your score, so avoid closing old accounts even if you don't use them frequently. Lastly, diversify your credit mix. Having different types of credit, such as a credit card, auto loan, and mortgage, can positively impact your score. Number 8. Monitoring your credit report. Regularly monitoring your credit report is essential. By law, you're entitled to a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. Take advantage of this by staggering your requests to get a report every 4 months. When you receive your report, review it carefully for errors or unfamiliar accounts, which could indicate identity theft. If you spot any inaccuracies, dispute them immediately. Monitoring your report also helps you stay on top of your accounts and ensure that your efforts to build good credit are paying off. There are also numerous apps and services that offer credit monitoring, some of which provide additional features like alerts for new inquiries or significant changes to your score. Number 7. Disputing negative items. Disputing negative items on your credit report can be a game changer. If you find errors or inaccuracies, you have the right to dispute them. Start by writing a dispute letter to the credit bureau reporting the error. Clearly state the issue and include copies of any supporting documentation. The bureau typically has 30 days to investigate and respond. If the dispute is resolved in your favor, the negative item will be removed or corrected, potentially boosting your credit score. You can also dispute directly with the creditor or collection agency. Sometimes, negative items are the result of a misunderstanding or clerical error, and a simple dispute can resolve the issue. Number 6. The power of goodwill. Letters. A goodwill letter is a request to a creditor asking them to remove a legitimate negative mark from your credit report. While there's no guarantee of success, many people have had negative items removed simply by asking. In your letter, explain why the late payment or other negative item occurred and how you've since improved your financial habits. Highlight any long-standing relationship with the creditor and your history of on-time payments. creditors are more likely to grant your request if you have a good reason for the late payment and can demonstrate that it was an isolated incident. Number 5. Negotiating with creditors. Sometimes, negotiating with creditors can help improve your credit report. If you have accounts in collections or past due balances, contact the creditor or collection agency to discuss your options. You might be able to negotiate a settlement for less than the full amount owed, or set up a payment plan that fits your budget. In some cases, creditors might agree to remove negative items from your credit report in exchange for payment. This is known as a pay-for-delete agreement. While not all creditors will agree to this, it's worth asking. Always get any agreements in writing before making a payment. Number 4. Authorized user strategy. Another effective strategy for building credit is becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This involves having a trusted friend or family member add you to their credit card account. As an authorized user, the account's positive history will be reflected on your credit report, helping to improve your score. Make sure the primary account holder has a good credit history and manages the account responsibly. While you're not responsible for payments, any negative activity on the account can also impact your credit. This strategy is particularly helpful for individuals with little or no credit history. Number 3. Credit utilization management. Credit utilization, or the ratio of your credit card balances to credit limits, is a key factor in your credit score. Keeping your utilization below 30% is recommended, but lower is better. If you have high balances, focus on paying them down. You can also request a credit limit increase from your creditors. If granted, this will immediately reduce your utilization ratio, assuming your spending doesn't increase. Another tip is to spread your balances across multiple cards rather than maxing out one card. This helps keep your utilization lower and shows creditors that you can manage multiple accounts responsibly. Number 2. The impact of hard inquiries. Hard inquiries occur when a lender checks your credit report as part of a loan or credit card application. While 1 or 2 hard inquiries are not likely to have a significant impact, multiple inquiries in a short period can lower your score. To minimize the impact, try to limit new credit applications and only apply for credit when necessary. If you're shopping for a mortgage or auto loan, multiple inquiries within a short period, usually 45 days, are typically treated as a single inquiry, minimizing the impact on your score. Keep this in mind to avoid unnecessary hits to your credit. Number 1. The secret of rapid rescoring. Rapid rescoring is a service offered by some lenders and credit repair companies that can quickly update your credit report and score. This service is often used in mortgage applications when a higher credit score is needed to qualify for a better interest rate. Rapid rescoring can update your report in a few days, reflecting recent payments, corrected errors, or other positive changes. While this service can be costly and is not available to consumers directly, it can be a valuable tool in specific situations. Consult with your lender or a credit repair professional to see if rapid rescoring might benefit you. Improving and maintaining good credit requires understanding the various factors that impact your score and taking proactive steps to manage your credit responsibly. By using these credit secrets, you can build a strong credit profile, dispute inaccuracies, and leverage strategies that many people are unaware of. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more valuable tips and information to help you achieve financial success.